run. Anything can happen, anything can go wrong. And this went wrong. We tried a new air filter and this thing clogged up with dust. So we went with a new air filter because it's a little bit smaller than the other one that they were running, but it has more surface area to allow for more filtration. And the filter's still clean on the inside, so we didn't suck any dust into the engine. What we did do was completely pack this air filter up with dust because the front tire was turned at exactly the right angle when I was trying to dig in and make the banked right-hand turn. And poor Brad, he's sitting on the passenger seat, and it's like somebody took a 5-pound sack of flour and threw it at him. Out of the corner of my eye, I just see, and he was just dusted. So it sucked the air filter in, but this is where the intake tube is at, and it sucked this closed. So imagine, if you would, instead of having all the surface area that you can see inside of there, it sucked the tube all the way down to it, just like this. And now that's all the surface area that we get, and it's completely full of dust and dirt. Completely not the air filter's fault. This was completely our fault. If we would have put duct tape over the hole in the floor, this never would have happened. We're probably gonna put duct tape over the hole in the floor. So when Brad saw that, he reached down, he grabbed the air filter. He's like, oh, the air filter sucked in. He pulled it back open like this, which opened up the rest of it, gave us all the rest of the power, and then we were able to send it on the rest of the course. That was so much fun. I want to go do that again.